After many months and weeks of mining the Toma token, there is this concern about if this listing is going to really happen. And if it happens, what will be the price of this token after the very long delay that we've seen in this very project? And if you look at gate.io and on BitGate, you discover that the pre-market is different, and I'll be talking about all of this in this very video. Watch the video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. If you come to the BitGate exchange, you discover the Toma token is now trading at 0.3071. But if you go to the gate.io exchange, you discover the token is trading at 0.3052. Okay, there is no big concern about this because liquidity on exchange differs. So we can see the token get more attention on BitGate, and the price of the token will definitely move to the upside or have a greater price than what we are seeing on gate.io. In any case, this is not a big concern about if the token is going to do well or not. Is this token going to see this listing on major exchanges? For me, yes. In as much as BitGate have this on pre-market right here, and not only that, in as much as we also have this on gate.io, it means that for sure this very token is going to get that listing on major exchanges. But the question is, we don't know the exact date that this token is going to come on board, and we are waiting for that very update from the team. And if you look at what we have right now as the total supply or the max supply, if you look at it right here, the total supply of the Toma token right now is 100 billion. Do you think with all this delay, this token is going to still do well when it will be listed on an exchange? I don't think so. And I have my honest price prediction for this very token. And like I always say, we've seen listing of most Web3 projects start with $30 million and with a max of a $50 million. So don't expect much from the Toma token with all this delay. This delay mean a lot to us as airdroppers. Number one, it means that they have some challenges and they're not able to tackle their challenges up till this point. And number two, it also means that they may have good intention for the community and they're actually planning well and waiting for everything to align so that they can get good listing for the community. So it can mean two things. If you look at the total supply of 100 billion token, and if you do this 100 billion token multiplied by the current pre-market price on BitGate, which is 0.3071 multiplied by 100 billion token, do you think we are going to get this very price from the Toma token? I don't think. With a 100 billion token at this price on pre-market and getting a $71 million market capitalization from Tomarket, I don't think this will be possible. The possibility is there, but in my opinion, I don't think this is possible right now after these many weeks of delay of this very listing. So what I am looking at personally is something very, very different from what we are seeing on the chart, because what we are seeing on pre-market right now is very, very different from what is going to happen during listing. So if we have a 100 billion token as total and max supply, we are going to have a 0.0002. This is my own price prediction. Honestly, I don't expect this token to do up to a $50 million market capitalization. The possibility is there, but this is what I'm expecting right now, 0.302, which will give a $20 million market capitalization at listing. I'm talking about 24 hours of listing. Within 24 hours of listing, we should see a $20 million market cap and a 0.304, which is a $40 million market capitalization. So look at a range between 0.302 and 0.304 as the price for this very token, which will give us a market cap between a $20 million and a $40 million market capitalization at the point of listing or within 24 hours of listing. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. Bring down your expectation. And we all know that the delay have taken so long. And this is unforeseen circumstances from airdroppers and the entire community. In any case, we have to also bear with the Toma token and wait for this very listing to come, because definitely the listing is going to come very soon, maybe probably early next year. So this is what I am now paying attention to right now. But one thing very important right here is the GOAT token. If you go back to Bitgate and you come to trade right here and you search for the GOAT USDT, you discover that this token have done very well. Look at what happened when listing occurred. Market pump all the way to the upside, and personally, I still believe this market have a long way to go. It can still do much more better because GOAT actually perform well, in fact beyond some person's imagination. So right now market have reacted all the way to this very point, and retracement is needed, which is normal in the market. So I am looking at from here, okay, market should begin to have a gradual momentum to the upside. And remember, this very week is the CPI data, and next week is the FOMC meeting and the federal fund rate, which means between this week and next week, we're going to have a very dynamic market scenario, which means price prediction is going to be fluctuating up and down as a result of the CPI data and the Fed interest rate next week, which also means after these two events, this week and next week, you're going to see a smooth price action running into January. And this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. So if you are holding goods and you want to still hold a little bit to January, February, it is nice for you to hold a little bit, because it's still going to pump all the way to the upside as we enter into the heat of the bull market in 2025. My Toma price prediction is 0.302 and 0.304. Okay, we can go above that or below that, but this is the range I am personally looking at right now, and the GOAT token is going to do well in the heat of the bull market. If you are holding GOAT, comment below in the comment section of this very video. And what is your own price prediction for the Toma token? Comment below as well in the comment section of this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel with the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is absolutely free. Also, if you want to watch my video on how to trade crypto as a beginner to advanced, check this video right here. And if you want to learn about the altcoin season and when the altcoin season is going to start, check this video right here as well. It's going to help you greatly. Thanks for supporting this channel.